Hi there, so as you know, the HDO box as well as other movie apps were recently blocked on the Amazon Fire Stick devices. So today I'll show you the best alternative, which can still get in 2026 to access movies or TV shows on your device. And the whole process is actually pretty easy. Now firstly, you need to get that app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. Just go to search on your device, you open the search bar, and start typing downloader in here. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us on the right side. Let's click on it, give it a moment, and here is that app, which you gotta get to your device. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because of course you still need it at the top. So now in order to actually set up downloader, we'll need to go to the settings, and that is exactly what we're gonna do. Click on the settings right here from that menu. So open them. And now the next step after the settings are open is we'll need to go to My Fire TV. So open them as well. And then we need to turn on developer options. But on some Fire Sticks and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, those developer options might actually be hidden by default. So if that is the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About right there, and now select Fire TV Stick and start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go into the installation of unknown apps. And now from here, you have to locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now we head back to a list of apps on your device, and there's the downloader, which we've got. But now before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast and they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Malta right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go back to downloader. Here we go from the main application. Let's open up the downloader now. So open it, and now here at the top, we just need to enter a code via this keyboard. So the code is going to be 243447. Again, it's 243447. That's the code you have to enter now. Then just click on go, And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the load of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then just click install and wait a bit until the installation part is fully done. And then don't click on open yet, instead press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So click on delete and then delete once again. Now, we go back to a list of applications, and usually the app should appear in here. However, sometimes it does not, so in order to access that app, if it does not appear in the list, you need to go back to settings, open them up, then go to applications right here, click on manage installed apps, and now this time you have to scroll down until you find this application. That is the app we got for you today. Click on it and press on launch the app. And now I had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. And basically it is an amazing application for movies, TV shows and all stuff like that. And there's a lot of content, even the one available in movie theaters only. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button below. Actually, it helps me a lot. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.